In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can sell your Notion templates. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into your Notion template that you'd want to sell. And now from here, you want to click on the share button on the top right in order for you to share this to your customers that you have just sold this template to. So once you're here, you want to click on publish next. Next is that you would want to go into clicking here on publish so that it will now be live, as you can see in here. And from here, it's very important that you turn this option on to duplicate as template so that when your customers go into this template, they would be able to duplicate this and then customize your template as if it's their own, but they wouldn't be able to edit this template that you have just made. So don't worry, they would only be able to edit it once they have duplicated that. And now to test it out is that you can click here on view site and it will now prompt you to the template that you have just published, like for example, this one. And now they would need to click here on duplicate in order for them to edit this, because if they just go here directly, they wouldn't be able to do anything. So yeah, that's it on how you can sell your Notion templates. Thank you for watching.